In this video, I'll show you how you can fix launch failed on Epic Games. Now first what you want to do is come down here and search for Task Manager. In here you want to close down everything that you don't currently use and that uses way too much. So let's say Google Chrome, CapCut, Steam, whatever. Just close them down if you don't use them, because sometimes they can cause issues with the Epic Games launcher. After that, what you want to do is come down here and search for run. In here type percentage, local app data percentage. From in here you want to find your Epic Games launcher. Open up this one, go into saved, find your web cache folder right here and rename it. And you can rename it to whatever, just keep this and then type something random. So just add a K. That's about it. Press try. Oh, it's because I have Epic Games open. So what you want to do is just simply close it, exit, try again. There we go. Now after you've done that, what you want to do is just close it down and search for Windows Update. Look if you have a Windows Update somewhere. You can press check for updates and it's going to look for an update for you. Now just wait for this to load and be completely done. And as you can see, I don't have any updates. Now the next thing you want to do is find your Epic Games launcher, right click on it, properties, compatibility, and activate these two. Press apply and OK. Now, if this still doesn't work, what you want to do is simply open up Epic Games Launcher, and then I'll show you what to do from in there. Now, once this is opened, what you want to do is head over to your library. In here, find the game that you're trying to open, press on the three dots, manage, and click verify files. Now, this will look for any corruption or issues with your files, and then verify them. So just click on that, wait for it to be done, and then try and relaunch the game, or potentially restart your PC, and then try again. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.